Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your amusement park. For example, you are the owner of amusement park and you want to share the details regarding the ticket prices and the offers you are providing to your customer on the weekend. Sending each and every customer manually is a quite hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Then whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your amusement park, let me give you a quick review about how our chatbot will work by sending hi message to my WhatsApp business account of amusement park. Here you can see it will respond to me. Hello, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Fun Amusement Park. Your trust in us means the world. Please tell how can I help you? Here you can see it will provide me different type of options also. The first is ticket prices, the second is food and dining, and the third is private event. If I want to know the details about the ticket prices that amusement park offer, then it will show me all the details regarding ticket prices. If I'll click on the private event button, then it will show me all the facilities they are providing to the customer. So basically, this is how chatbot will work. It will respond to your customer instantly. At the end of the video, you can create this type of chatbot so easily. It will create it without requiring any coding skill. So for creating this type of chatbot, first you have to click on a new tab button and search pabbly.com/chatflow. You are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple WhatsApp chatbots for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two buttons are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option and create your free Pabbly Chatflow account. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. After clicking this, here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provides to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow column by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, add WhatsApp number, you can add multiple types of WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here you can see two options are there. The one is WhatsApp Connect. This might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. Second is Manual Token Connect. If you can click on Manual Token Connect, then it will ask you for Meta Access Token, which you can generate from Facebook Meta for developers. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we will create a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. After that, you can also create multiple folders here and see the details about the status and all the information of your WhatsApp number. The second feature is Inbox, where you can store all the conversation with your customer as well as you can respond to them here also. The third one is the Contacts, where you can add and manage contacts, import in bulk and create lists to segment your audience effortlessly. The fourth one is the Team Queue, where you can organize chats assigned to team members and keep unassigned conversations separate for easy management. The fifth one is the Template, where you can organize templates for easy access and scale communication with predefined messages, ensuring efficient engagement with initiating conversation. Basically, the templates are used for those type of conversation which were started by your side. Sixth one is the Broadcast. Basically, it is used for sending a bulk messages to your customer. It is easily send WhatsApp message to a predefined list of contacts through Broadcast. It is perfect for announcement, promotions or timeline updates. The seventh one is the Flow, where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder. The ninth one is the AI Assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions, solve problems and engage prospects effortlessly. Here we can also provide a video that how to use AI assistant. The 10th one is the settings, where you can see different type of features are there. The one is OPT in management. The second is inbox setting. The third is contact custom field. The fourth is tags, quick replies, team member, chat assignment rules, API, webhooks, etc. The last one is the help, where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on the button flow. Here you can see this is the page where we can create multiple type of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. You can also see here total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. On the right hand side you can see one button is there, add flow button. After clicking this button, now this is the starting point of our flow to start. But before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our amusement park, so I am providing a name. Here I provided the name. Now on the left hand side you can see two options are there. The one is messages and the another is action button. Under these messages you can see different types of buttons are there. We can use these buttons in the creation of flow. Now let's get started. This is the starting point of our flow. Here you can start your flow. It will provide me three ways to start your flow. First is keywords, the second is regex, and the third is the choose template. The second one is the regex. The regex can identify specific type of user messages and it can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the template, in which you can create any type of template and choose with the help of this button. You can upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation which were started by your side. As I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so I am providing a regex here. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond any of the message of your customer. Now in the next step, I am adding a welcome message for my customer with the help of this text button. After clicking this, here it will provide me one message box where I can write my message. Here I write it, the welcome message for my customer. Now I am connecting this circle to the message. Here my starting flow is connected to my message. After this, I am providing some options to my customer with the help of this add button. By clicking this button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write some options for my customer. The first option I am providing as ticket prices. The second option I will take as food and dining. And the third option I take as private events. Here I provided some options for my customer. Then, when my customer wants to know the details regarding the ticket prices of my amusement park, then they will click on this button. Then my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding one another text button. Drag this here and writing the details about the ticket prices of my amusement park. Here I write it about the details regarding the ticket prices. Now, what if my customer wants to know about the opening hours of my amusement park? Then I am providing them one another option. By clicking on this button, I am writing here opening time. Here I write. After that, I am connecting the circle which are present in front of ticket price to the circle where I wrote about the details of ticket prices. Here I am providing the opening hours of my amusement park by adding one another text button. Drag this here and writing the timing of my amusement park. Here I write. Now I am connecting this circle, opening hour circle, to this message where I write it the information about the opening hours of my amusement park. The second one is the food and dining. If my customer wants to know the details about the food that I am offering to them, then they will click on this button. For this, my bot will respond to them like this. I am adding one another text button. Here I am writing all the details about the food and dining I am providing to my customers. Here I write it all the details. Here I provided all the details regarding meals that will be available in my amusement park. After this, I am connecting the circle which are present in food and dining to this circle where I write it the details about food and dining. dining. Now, if my customer wants to know the details about private events, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding another text button. Drag this here and adding the details regarding the private event offering in my amusement park. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of private event to the message I write it here. So basically this is the flow we are created for amusement park. After the completing process of your flow, you have to make sure click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. Now I'll show you how our bot will work by sending hi message to my WhatsApp business number of amusement park. Here I am sending hi message to my WhatsApp business account of amusement park. Hi, or instead of any message, my bot will respond same. See, hello, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Fun Amusement Park. Your trust in us means the world. Please tell us how can I help you. It will provide me different type of options which we were written here, such as ticket price, food and dining, private events. Now you can see. After I'll click on food and dining, then it will provide me the details regarding the food and the meals. If I'll click on private events button, then it will respond me like this. So basically this is how the chatbot will work. With the help of this video, you can create this type of chatbot for your amusement park so easily.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.